Hey DelVal! We're DVTV's Izzy Diem
and Bella Diaz,
and welcome to the 2026 Hoops for Hunger tournament. We are here on the sidelines of a day that's all about community, fun, and giving back to others.
Because Hoops for Hunger isn't just a great time, it's about supporting a great cause. Thanks to all of our participants, we are able to raise lots of money for our local food pantries.
Without further ado, let's get the 2026 Hoops for Hunger show started. Okay, so I'm here with Cooper and Tommy, and they are from the team Rod Wave Elite. Cooper, we have noticed that you've been dunking every chance you get. What made you want to start doing that?
I don't care who's in the paint. They're getting bodied.
Okay, and Tommy, you're the coach. How is it going? How's your team looking?
We're looking great. I mean, we're 3-0, 4-0. I don't even know. I'm starting to lose count, but I mean, just throw the ball up to this kid, and he's catching it, and he's putting it down.
We're here with Mr. White, and as you guys know, he is one of the main runners of this event. So, Mr. White, which team is looking the best from the competitive side?
Well, we're really looking to see Team 9 and Team 12 hit in the finals. They both look very, very strong.
So, Claudia, we know you play basketball. You are varsity starter on basketball. Why aren't you playing in Hoops for Hunger?
The other teams can take the heat.
I'm here with
Jay Arancio.
Thank you so much for being here as a representative of Strikeout Hunger and Jay today. Can you tell us more about what the event means to you and how it has an impact on our community?
Well, this is an amazing fundraising event. Last year, you guys raised about $4,000, which meant we were able to give each one of the pantries in the local sending districts $1,000 each, which helped hundreds of families who are dealing with food insecurity.
They can come closer than close, yeah. Original ain't ever be. We want it from coast to coast, yeah, yeah. You just try to make you see. Nobody does it better. Closer than close, yeah. Original ain't ever be. We want it from coast to coast, yeah, yeah. You just try to make you see.
So I'm here with DVTV's team of Face Off, Adam and Nikki. Guys, how's it going today?
It's going great. You know, we're usually against each other, but today we came together, playing here. It's great, having a lot of fun, doing great, haven't lost yet.
And how are you feeling, Nikki?
Doing amazing. Team's doing great, you know. Having a great time out here.
All right, Nikki, how's the game going so far? What kind of strategies is your team working with right now?
We're actually doing pretty well. We're 2-2. The strategy is just give me the ball and let me go.
I'm here with DVTV's Ava Scorsone and Claire Cook. Ava, how does it feel being the player today?
It's pretty good. Some hard competition. We've had a little struggle, but it's okay. We're getting back up.
I love your shirt. Claire, I love this outfit. You're looking so good. How are you feeling being the coach? How's your team doing? You know, give me all the thoughts.
Honestly, I'm feeling great. Our team's doing way better than I expected, and the confidence is high. The abilities are high. Okay, we're in this to win.
Allie, how is things going for your team today? You guys have like a strategy you're sticking with? Tell us.
We definitely had a strategy, but I gotta be honest, my team's not really looking too good right now. We're really struggling, but I definitely think we can pick it back up soon.
I'm sure you can. Keep up the good work.
your feet and up out your seat. Everybody here, get up. Hands in the air, get up out your chair. Everybody here, get up. Get up, get up, get up, get up. Everybody here, get up. Get up, get up, get up, get up. Let me see you all get up. What the heck you waiting for? Ain't nobody out there hating more. It's a shame, but you came, so stop acting lame. Everybody up, get on the floor. Come catch the feeling, run like you're stealing. Look around and you got nothing to fear in. Take a second, catch your breath to see if it's safe and stop. We got some haters over here, we got some haters over there. We got us people in the middle acting like we just don't care. Get on your feet and up out your seat. Everybody here, get up. Hands in the air, get up out your chair. Everybody here, get up. Get up, get up, get up, get up. Everybody here, get up. Get up, get up, get up, get up. Let me see you all get up.
All right, so we are here with the winners of the 2026 Hoops for Hunger, the team. So you're the head coach. Did you carry the team or did the boys carry them?
They carried themselves. They fought hard. They worked every single minute of every single game. I'm really proud of them.
That's great. And for you, Xavier, you did an amazing job with that last play. What was going through your head and what made you make that decision in order to win the game?
I guess I just saw the shot clock and then just heard my teammates say go. So, like, once they said go, I just went. And then I guess from there, my whole mind just went blank. And I just chucked it up.
Well, it looks like today's event was a huge success. All the teams here at DelVal were able to help us raise thousands of dollars for our local food pantries.
Thank you to everybody who participated and donated to this cause. Unfortunately, Bella and I will not be here next year to see this event happen again, but we hope the tradition lives on. I'm Izzy Diem.
And I'm Bella Diaz. And that was your 2026 Hoops for Hunger.